Good morning, student. I am going to explain you about arithmetic mean. Short form of arithmetic mean is AM. AM means arithmetic mean. How you find AM of a given data? AM means in lower class. Lower class में आपको पढ़ाया गया होगा एवरेज. लोअर क्लास में आपको एवरेज या औसत पढ़ाया गया है. तो अर्थमेटिक मीन भी यहाँ आप एवरेज ही समझें. जिस तरह से आप एवरेज का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते थे उसी तरह आपको लगाना है. हियर आई टेक एग्जांपल फर्स्ट. इफ देयर इज राइट एंड 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. How you find arithmetic mean of this data? Arithmetic mean AM is equal to sum of observation upon total number of observation sum of observation upon total number of observation. Here you add it 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70. Here 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. Here are 5 number. Now total number of observation is 5. Now you divide it. 30 plus 40 plus 50. Here you add it. 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70. Add it. Here 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70. Here is 0. Here 4, 3, 7. 7, 5, 12. 12, 6, 18. 18, 7, 25. It become 250 upon 5. It become 250 upon 5. Now you divide it. 5, 5 ja 25. 5, 5 ja 25. It become 50. AM is equal to 50. AM is equal to 50. Now check your head. Here 0, 4, 3, 7, 5, 12, 6, 18 and 7, 25. 250 divided by 5 is equal to 50. Now I take second example. Example second. See here. Example second. Here I take second example. If there is a right hand term and frequency is, how you solve this question? If there is right hand term x and here frequency is f, how you find arithmetic mean? If there is right hand 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. There is right hand 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. 5 is 2 times, 6 is 3 times, 8 4 times, 9 5 times, 10 2 times, 12 3 times. How you find arithmetic mean of this data? Here you find fx. Here you find fx. Fx means f multiply by x. Here f is 2 and x is 5. 2 multiply by 5, 5 to the 10. Here 5 to the 10. Here 6 3 the 18. And here 8 4 the 32. Here 8 4 the 32. Here you write 32. 8 4 the 32. Here 9 5 the 45. 9 5 the 45. Here 10 into 2. 10 2 the 20. Here 12 into 3. 12 3 the 36. Now add it. Here 5 2 the 10. Here 6 3 the 18. Here 8 4 the 32. 9 5 the 45. 10 2 the 20. 12 3 the 36. Now add it. Here you add it. Here 8 to 10. 10 5 15. 15 6 21. 21 को 1 carry 2. Here 8 to 10 5 15 6 21 को 1 carry 2. Here 2. Here 2 1 3 1 4 4 3 7 7 4 11 11 to 13 3 16. It become 161. Now check your add. Here 8 to 10 5 15 and 6 21 को 1 carry 2. here 2 1 3 1 4 4 3 7 4 11 2 13 3 16 become 161. Here sum of frequency, here add it, here 3 to 5 3 to 5 5 4 9 5 4 9 9 5 14 14 to 16 14 to 16 16 3 19. Check your head. Here 3 to 5 5 4 9 9 5 14 to 16 3 19. Here you write AM is equal to summation fx upon summation f. Summation fx means sum of fx. Here is sum of fx is equal to 161 and sum of f means frequency का sum. Here sum of f is 19. Here sum of f is 19. Now divide it. 161 divided by 19. Here you take 19 8 ja. Check it. 19 multiply by 8. 9 8 ja 72 को 2 carry 7. 8 1 ja 8 7 15. 19 8 ja 152. Take 8 time. 19 8 ja 8 9 ja 72 को 2 carry 7. 8 1 ja 8 7 15. Here 11 minus 2 9. Here cancel. Here you write 0. Here you write decimal. Here you take 0. It become 90. Here 19 4 ja 76. 19 5 ja 95 become greater. Here you take 4 time. 19 4 ja देखो 9 4 ja 36 को 6 carry 3. 4 1 ja 4 3 7. Now subtract it. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. यहाँ 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Here you take 0. Here you take 7 time. 19 multiply by 7. Here 19 multiply by 7. 7 9 ja 63. 3 carry 6. 7 1 ja 7 7 6 13. Multiply देखो 7 9 ja 63 को 3 carry 6. 7 1 ja 7 6 13. Here you subtract it. Here you get 7 time. Here you write. Here 10 minus 7 is equal to 33 and it is cancelled. Here is equal, it become 8.47. Now in this way you get arithmetic mean. 161 divided by 19, it become 8.47. Approx. I am going to explain you about median. Here I take datas 4 5 3 2 1 and 4 and 6. How you find median? See here. How you find median? Here a question. How you find median? But first I want to explain you about range. What is range? Range means highest value minus lowest value. Range means highest value minus lowest value. Here is highest value means highest number is 6. Here is highest number is 6 minus lowest value. Here is lowest number is 1. Here 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Is called range of the data. Range means highest value minus lowest value is called range of the डाटा. चाहे कोई भी डाटा हो उसका सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर और सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर दोनों के बीच का जो डिफरेंस होता है उसको रेंज कहा जाता है. यहां मैं मीडियन के बारे में आपको बताने जा रहा हूं. देखिए मीडियन दो तरह से निकाला जाता है. यहां पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 टर्म है. 7 आपका ऑड नंबर है. तो ऑड नंबर से मीडियन निकालने का फार्मूला अलग है और इवन नंबर से निकालने का फार्मूला अलग है. In case of odd number, here is odd number, so median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. But First you write this number into ascending order. First you write this number into ascending order. First you write here 1. First you write here 1, then write 2, then write 3, then write 3, then 4. Here 4 is written 2 times. Here you write 4 2 times. Then you write 5. Here you write 5. Then you write 6. Check your numbers. Here you write 1, then write 2, then 3. Here 4 is 2 times. Here you write 4 2 times. Here 5 and 6. Count your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here. Here you write ascending order. Name of order you write here ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number then greatest number. Then write in this way. First you write smallest, then number become bigger. That serial is called ascending order. Here you write n plus 1. See here. Come back on our topic. Here median is equal to n plus 1. Here n is 7. Here n is 7. Means 7 plus 1 upon 2. Here 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 upon 2. 8 divided by 2, it becomes 4th. Here is 4th term. Here is 4th term in data. Here is 4th term. Here is 4th term is. Here is 4th term is count is. Here is 4th term 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th term 4 is median. 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 4th term चौथा टर्म जो आया ये 4th टर्म, इसको जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपने लिखा है इसमें का जो भी चौथा टर्म है वो मीडियन है. काउंट करो 1, 2, 3, 4. हियर इज 4th टर्म 4 इज मीडियन. देखो 4th टर्म है क्या 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 है तो 4 आपका मीडियन है. लेकिन ये फार्मूला आप वही लगाएंगे जहां पर ऑड नंबर होंगे. इन केस ऑफ ऑड नंबर यहां मैं लिख दे रहा हूं ऊपर. इन केस ऑफ ऑड नंबर के केस में आप इस फार्मूले का यूज करेंगे. बट इन केस ऑफ इवन नंबर see here, in case of even number how you find median. In case of even number I take example here. Example, if there is right hand 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 6, how you find median of this data? How you find median of this data? There are 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is even number. 6 is even number. Then how you find median? First you write it in ascending order. Here you write it in ascending order. Here you write it in ascending order. Here you write it in ascending order. Write it. First you write 1. Second you write 2. After you write 3. Then you write 4. Then you write 5. Then you write 6. Then you write 6. There are 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a formula. Median is equal to n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Median is equal to n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Now you solve it. Here n upon 2. N means number of term. Here is 6 term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here place of n you write 6. Place of n you write 6. Here you write 6 upon 2 plus. Here you write 6 upon 2 plus 1 and upon 2. Here you write 2 3 are 6 means third term. Here you write third term. Here you write third term. Here 2 3 are 6. Here third plus 1 is equal to fourth term upon 2. third term upon fourth term upon 2. See here, third term. Here first, second, third. Here is third term is equal to 3. And here is fourth term. Fourth term is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term is equal to 4. 3 plus 4 upon 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. In this way, in case of even number, you find medium. In this way, in case of even number, you find median. See here, use formula n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 and solve this question. Write this data into ascending order and here you find median. Good morning, student. I am going to explain you about mode. Mode means number which has highest frequency is called mode. Number which has highest frequency, number which has highest frequency, number which has highest frequency, number which has highest frequency is called mode. Number which has highest frequency is called mode. I take here example. If there is right hand 2, 5, 6, 4, 8, 7, 2, 9, 2. See here. Here is 2. Here is 2 and here is 2 and here is 2. 2 is repeat 3 times. 2 is repeat 3 times. Here 2 and here 2 and here is also 2. 2 is repeat 3 times. So mode is 2. 2 has highest frequency. 2 has highest frequency. 2 has highest frequency. 2 has highest frequency. So mode is 2. So mode is 2. 2 has highest frequency. So mode is 2. I take another example. I take as example second. See here. I take another example second. Example second. If there is right hand x, here 5, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Here is F frequency. Here it is 2 times, it is 3 times, it is 4 times, 5 times, 9 times, 7 times. See here. How you find mode this data? How you find mode this data? Check in frequency. Which number has highest frequency? Here 5 is 2 times, 2 is 3 times, 3 is 4 times, 4 is 5 times, 8 is 9 times, 9 is 7 times. Highest frequency is 9. Here highest frequency is 9. Here highest frequency. Here highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 9. So number related to 9 is mode. Number related to 9, 8 is mode. So number related 9 is mode. Number related 9 is mode. So number in front of 9, 8 is mode. So 8 is mode of these data. So 8 is mode of these data. Now all of you see here. Here is X. x is equal to 5, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Here f is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7. Check here. Highest frequency. See here. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7. Highest frequency is 9. Highest frequency is 9. So number related to highest frequency. Number related to highest frequency is 8. So 8 is the mode of data. Now thanks to all of you for subscribe this video.